Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can refer a friend on Bet365. So it's very simple. First up, you need to log in into your Bet365 account and then open the website or app and sign in. And then you need to go to the promotions or refer a friend section. And then you need to look under the promotions and my offers or refer a friend page. This is where your referral code or link would appear if the offer is running. What you can do is just copy your unique referral code or link, and then you'll see a code or link generated specifically for your account, and then you gotta share it with your friend and then send the referral code or the link to the person you want to refer, and then your friend signs up using the link or code, and then your friend needs to register for a new Bet365 account through link or with your code, and then your friend must complete the required steps. Usually this means making qualifying deposit or minimum for $10, and then placing a qualifying bet, like bet of $10 or more. This may vary by location and terms. Both of you receive the award. If the promotion is active, both of you and your friend would get bonus bets, for example $50 each after the conditions are met. Most offers let you refer up to 10 friends per year for $500 total in bets. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.